In this video, I will be displaying the path lines, and for path lines, you can go to results, and from results, click on path line and maybe new. So we have right now we have the two surfaces from where we can release the path lines. The one is inlet, second is inlet small, first is inlet large. And you can also display the mesh and click on display. And while displaying the results, you can hide the wall large, for example. So we can display the path lines and they can be visible to us as well. So right now, as you can see that these path lines, they are forming the one vortex here. And this vortex is being formed because of the curvature here and also because of the effect of the flow from the small inlet. And now let's say I want to display these all geometrical parts, let's say these all parts. And at the same time, I also want that I don't want to display these walls in the full opaque form. So for that to be done, that is to slightly make them transparent, go to view, and then from the view, click on the compose. This compose command here is in the graphics, was known as this same description in the older version of the Fluent. And from here, let's say I want to make this wall large as a transparent or somehow transparent. So from here, click on the display. And here is the option for the transparency. Click on apply. And also hide these options from this menu. You can see now that we have these walls are now displayed as transparent. And now we can display the path lines. So just display them. Here you can see that this wall is displayed, but because of the transparency, now we can see the path lines clearly. And there are the many options in the path lines. You can display them in the line arrows. And the size you can control from attributes. Let's say we want to scale them to the 0.1. Okay. And save display. The size has been reduced to somehow the lower value. And also we can apply the spacing factor. With the spacing factor, you can make the distance between them larger. So let's say I increase the spacing factor to let's say 5. And okay. And save display. So the distance between them will be increased. And so we are going to display less and less path lines. And the line width is about the thickness of the line here, like this. And similarly, you can skip the number of path lines. Let's say you want to skip the 5 path lines and display the 6th one. This can also be done. So here we are displaying the only one path for the skipping of the 5 path lines. So 6th one will be shown every time. There are other also options in the style. For example, the ribbons. Click on save display. Again, you can control the attributes of the ribbon. For example, the width, the twist scale, twist by the pressure or maybe by velocity. This is all about the path lines, how to display them and different options and how to display the transparency. And one more thing. At the same time, when you're displaying these path lines, so let's say if I just delete the one boundary from your symmetry, delete from here, it will be removed from the screen. And second thing is that if I place overlay and apply, and if I display any other variable, any other type of the post-processing type of the function here, let's say I want to display the velocity on the symmetry plane, display. And now you can see if I just remove the mesh from here and also remove the mesh from here. So as you can see that we have the wall large and these things are repeating. So starting from the inlet small and these all things from here, delete them from here. In this way we are just displaying the previous geometry path lines, and now next thing is added is the contour plots at the symmetry plane for the velocity. And let's say now I want to display the vector plots on the symmetry plane, same symmetry plane. This time I want to change the colors, let's say to the black only. And here I just change the color to the black, apply. And similarly, I want to display them on the symmetry plane. So you can see that we're displaying the many things at a one time. And the only thing you can see that we have the velocity vectors, we have these control plots. And again, we are repeating these boundary conditions from here. And you can delete them from the screen. Let's say like this. Now we have the path lines, we have the geometrical, these all entities. I can delete these 3 points, so wall small, wall large, inlet small, and I can overlay them on the screen. So let's say I just display the again control plots only on the symmetry plane. So what is happening here is that I am displaying the control plots on the symmetry, and I am also displaying the vector plots in a black and white color, and also displaying the path lines in the ribbon format. And in the same way, I'm displaying the different boundaries except the symmetry, and the wall large is displayed in the transparency. And this is how you can display multiple functions, multiple things at a one time.